children. Today we are studying chapter 2 Geography inside our earth. Class 7. Topic rocks and minerals. First of all, try to understand there are three layers of the earth inside our earth. You can see the three layers. The first layer, that is the crust is the top layer, and the second layer is that is the mantle, and the third layer or innermost layer, that is the core. There are three layers inside our earth. The top layer, that is the crust, and just beneath the crust you can see the mantle, and the innermost layer, that is the core. These are the three layers of the earth. What is crust? What is crust? Crust is the top layer or the thinner layer of the earth. Crust is the thinner layer. You can see the top layer, the thinnest layer, that we can call it as the crust. The earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Actually, this crust is made up of various types of rocks. You can see this crust. Then you can try to understand that what is a rock. A rock means any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock. What is a rock? Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock. Then I draw one rock here. This rock can be of different color, size and texture. Texture here means appearance in the substance. Sometimes you may see big rock or small rock, different colors of rock, different sizes you may have seen. Then the appearance may be different types of appearance of the substance you can see. So these rocks can be of different color, size and texture or appearance. Then these rocks can be of three types. First one, igneous rocks. What are igneous rocks? Igneous rocks are otherwise called primary rocks. How igneous rocks are formed? The molten magma. This molten magma here cools down and forms these igneous rocks. That is igneous rocks. Next we can say that another type of rocks is that is sedimentary rocks. How sediments are formed? Sediments are formed, or sedimentary rocks are formed when these rocks roll down. When it rolls down and sometimes it may go to crack and sometimes hit each other and are broken down into small fragments, small pebbles or small fragments, or these smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are composed and hardened to form layers of rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Sometimes it join together and forms that rocks, that is called sedimentary rocks. So you understood about what is sedimentary rocks. Next is called metamorphic rocks. These igneous rocks and these sedimentary rocks will be transformed into metamorphic rocks. How these changes happened? These changes are happened due to great heat and pressure, then forms these metamorphic rocks. For example, this limestone, due to high heat and pressure, it changes into marble. Sometimes it changes into marble. Then clay, that changes into slate. That clay that will be that sometimes may change due to high pressure and it becomes slate. Next we want to understand about the igneous rocks that can be divided into two: the intrusive rock and the extrusive rock. What is intrusive rocks? These intrusive rocks are formed due to this molten magma that will not comes out. It will be inside of the earth and cools down, that forms the intrusive rocks. For example, granite. Next is extrusive rocks. This molten magma that comes out and from the earth's surface it cools down, and it is called, this molten magma comes out on the earth's surface and it cools down and it forms the extrusive rock, for example basalt is that example. I hope that you understand about what is crust and what is how rocks are formed and which are the different types of rocks and what is igneous rocks, what is sedimentary rocks, what is metamorphic rocks, then how sediments are formed, how these igneous rocks are formed, how these metamorphic rocks are formed, then how igneous rocks can be divided into two, which are the intrusive and extrusive, how these extrusive rocks are formed, how these intrusive rocks are formed, and what happened to these igneous and sedimentary rocks due to high pressure, what happens, it changes, that is called metamorphic rocks. The word metamorphos, that was a Greek word. The Greek word metamorphos, that meaning is change of form, or there will be a change that happens, that is called metamorphos, that is the Greek word. I hope that you understood about what is crust and what is rock. The crust is made up of rocks and which are the different types of rocks and how these rocks are formed. I hope that you understood it very well.